Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this baby that I have on right now. This unit was sent to me from Luvmehair. This is what their packaging looks like. I absolutely love the packaging of this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it. It had like a purple bow around it, but I already took that off. But this packaging, I'm in love. I love everything about the packaging. So yeah, let's just go ahead and let me show you guys some of the stuff that the unit came with. The hair came in this mini bag right here, and we also have some wig caps in the packaging as well. We have the brochure of the brand, and this just gives information about how to take care of your wig, how to use your hair or wig, and some questions about the products and the usage. And we also have information about returns and refund as well. And it came with this cute purse. I absolutely love this. It's so beautiful. And we have some brushes. I think I already opened it, so I know what we have in there. We have this brush in there. We have a hair clip that has the Luvmehair name as well on there. Gorgeous, love that. And we have an extra elastic band. We also have some bobby pins in there and this satin scarf as well. And that's pretty much all that it came with. So now that we've gotten all of that out of the way, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how I styled her. So this is what the unit looks like straight out of the pack, and this feels really soft. I really love the texture of this unit. And this is the 5x5 lace closure wig. Information and all of that good stuff is going to be in the description box in case you're interested. And this is what we have going on inside. We have 4 combs inside, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And we also have the extra elastic band for security. And this is what the hairline is looking like. This is already pre-plucked, although the knots are not bleached yet, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Giving we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like cosmos, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
So this is what we have after styling, and everything turned out really great, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I really love the texture on this unit, and for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of tangling, but she did shed a bit after I washed her, but nothing too crazy, nothing to worry about. Direct link to purchase and all the information that you need is going to be in the description box. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.